The Chinese milk scandal now goes beyond China, and it goes beyond milk. In Taiwan, soup and canned coffee are coming off the shelves. In Japan, 5 cake products have been dumped. In Singapore, it's candies that tested positive for melamine from the Chinese milk used as an ingredient. The Swiss giant Nestlé says it is confident in its milk products, despite Hong Kong authorities reporting that one of its products tested positive for a small amount of melamine. In Hong Kong, extra clinics are being made available after free health check centres were swamped. More children were found to be sick on Tuesday. Mainland Chinese clinics are also crowded. 80% of the people sickened so far are aged under 2. The World Health Organization has alerted all 167 countries in its network to increase their monitoring of Chinese food products. A number of countries have already banned imports. 22 Chinese companies stand accused of selling dairy products contaminated with toxic melamine as a method of boosting apparent protein levels. Chinese state-run media report at least one of the companies knew for months, if not years, of irregularities. The WHO says the apparent delay in exposing the cases is alarming.
Even a suspicion should have raised a concern and should have been reported upwards for action to be taken.
After previous scandals, lead-contaminated toys, exports of deadly melamine-tainted pet food to the US and Canada, images of suffering children could leave lasting scars on China's export reputation. According to one Hong Kong-based crisis communication specialist, international inspections will be needed to reverse the damage.
It's an enormous blight on China's record as a quality manufacturer of food and a quality manufacturer in general. The government needs to take it very, very seriously.
But the parents of sick children care nothing right now about the reputational damage this is doing to China. Are their children safe? What can they be safely fed tomorrow? These are the pressing questions. China's Prime Minister Wen Jiabao has promised to reform the dairy industry and to improve its regulation. The World Health Organization says the Chinese government believes what is arriving on the shelves now should be safe. People might take a while to be convinced. Hugh Riminton, CNN, Hong Kong.